Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing some Born Pretty PR. They sent me their 6 gel polish fall themed set as well as their builder gel, so let's get unboxing. So now I'm going to be swatching all 6 shades, and I will stay quiet so you can enjoy this part. So these are what all the colors look like swatched on my swatch sticks. These are jelly shades and I love these. So now we're gonna get into the builder gel portion of the video, and then I'm also going to be using these colors to create a little design on one of my nails. Now onto the builder gel. I'm starting off with a stiletto nail tip. I use some peel off base coat. Ignore my other nails. We're only doing the thumb finger for this. So we're gonna go in with some base gel, and builder gel can act as base gel, but I decided to go in with the base gel anyways, just because I'm so used to starting off with base coat and it felt weird to start off with something other than that. This is the Born Pretty builder gel. It's actually an 8-in-1 builder gel, so it can be used as a base coat, it can be used to build the apex of your nail, nail extensions, nail shaping, nail glue gel, blooming gel, color mixing, and rhinestone gel. Right now, I'm using this to build a little bit of an apex and thicken the nail because this is only a thin nail tip. And I turned my nail slightly to the side so you can see how thick this gel is. So it's gliding across my nail and it's building that apex. I only did 1 coat of this. You can do 2 coats if you want to build up the nail a bit more, but in fear of making it too thick, I only did 1. I'm going in with the number 2 shade in the gel kit. This is a light camel, or I guess light beige color, and I'm doing 3 coats of this to create the base, and then I'll do my design on top. Now I'm using the number 4 shade, which is a dark chocolate color, and I'm going to apply another coat of the builder gel to use it as a blooming gel. I'm going to do the same blooming effect I just did with a different color. I'll be going in with the number 3 shade, which is a lighter brown color. I'm adding some builder gel to my mixing plate because I'm going to use a skinny thin nail art brush to draw some 3D art. Now, builder gel isn't mentioned to have a 3D effect capability, but I decided to try it anyway because it's actually really thick. So for a brief moment, it can hold a shape. So what I will do is draw that 3D effect and cure it immediately, just so that I can cure it before it loses its shape. The last thing I want to add are some tiny gold pearls. I'm only going to add 3, but I am going to use some builder gel to use them as a rhinestone glue and adhere the gems. Last but not least, of course, we're going in with some top coat, and I'm using the Born Pretty Super Top. This actually works as a no wipe top coat, which I didn't know at first, but I love a good no wipe top coat, and this is definitely one of them. Alright, so that is it for today's video. This is what the nail design looks like alongside the swatches I did of the 6 colors sent to me by Born Pretty. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending these over. I have my 10% off code Nails by Ray in my description below, so if you're interested, go check that out. And of course, I want to thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you loved my content, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.